blessing comes out again. I say I was made for sunny days. I may do it great, but I didn't stay. I was made for sunny days, and I was made for you. Found the look you gave me when we were first in bloom, when I thought that you might save me from the dark side of the moon. Instead we both went walking to the shadows and the gloom, and we never did stop talking. You still light up the room. I say I was made for sunny days. I may do it great, but I didn't stay. I was made for sunny days, and I was made for you. Oh, the nights are longer. Oh, you make me stronger, and the late light lingers on the grass. And the nights are dark, but then they pass. They don't seem so deep. I'm still losing sleep, but